A mysterious event has recently taken place near the Dome of the Rock, leaving everyone on edge and curious. In this captivating video, we will delve into the heart of this enigma, uncovering the truth behind the chilling events unfolding by the iconic Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem. This landmark holds deep significance for Jews, Muslims, and Christians alike, as it sits atop the revered Temple Mount, a site of great religious importance. However, tensions surrounding this sacred location have steadily escalated over the years, culminating in a critical moment in 2022. Let's explore the history, architecture, and symbolism of the Dome of the Rock, as well as its current significance and the potential implications of the recent mysterious event. The Dome of the Rock, a grand architectural marvel, holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims. Constructed between 685 and 691 CE by Abdul Malik, an Islamic ruler. This majestic dome proudly stands atop a large platform, dominating the Jerusalem skyline. Its octagonal shape and gleaming gold roof measure approximately 65 feet in diameter. The dome rests on a circular drum supported by 16 piers and columns. Surrounding the sacred rock, which is partly visible and safeguarded by a railing, is a circular arcade adorned with 24 piers and columns. The outer walls of the dome, also octagonal, feature windows that allow natural light to filter in. However, what truly sets the Dome of the Rock apart are its intricate mosaics and metal plates, both on the interior and exterior. These mosaics, adorned with Arabic inscriptions, floral motifs, and depictions of jewels and crowns, create a captivating masterpiece that tells a story without the use of human or animal imagery. The Dome of the Rock is primarily famous for its connection to the Prophet Muhammad's journey to heaven. However, intriguingly, the inscriptions inside the dome do not mention this event explicitly. Stories linking the dome to the Prophet's journey began to emerge in the 9th century, but it wasn't until the 11th century that they gained prominence. The dome's design, which deviates from the typical Islamic architectural style, resembles certain buildings from the Byzantine Empire called martyria. These buildings, often round or with many sides, were constructed to commemorate important religious events or mark the burial sites of revered religious figures. The Dome of the Rock's resemblance to these structures suggests that its builders aim to connect Islam with the stories of Abraham and other religious traditions. Additionally, the dome's Arabic inscriptions include parts of the Quran that emphasize the belief in one God and reject certain Christian beliefs about Jesus. Some scholars speculate that the Dome of the Rock was intentionally designed to represent something significant, possibly even the end of the world and the connection between heaven and earth. Its construction, unique decorations, and symbolic motifs align with the beliefs held by Muslims and Byzantine people regarding the final judgment and the afterlife. The Dome of the Rock stands as a symbol of religious harmony and contention, revered by Jews, Muslims, and Christians. Its architectural splendor and intricate mosaics captivate visitors from around the world. The recent mysterious event near the dome has heightened curiosity and raised questions about its implications. This video has provided an in-depth exploration of the dome's history, architecture, and significance, shedding light on the potential meanings behind the recent occurrence. As the world continues to unravel the mysteries surrounding this iconic landmark, the Dome of the Rock remains a powerful symbol of faith, history, and hope in the heart of Jerusalem. The Temple Mount holds immense significance for both the Jewish and Muslim communities. This historical connection dates back to around 1000 before Christ, when King David, the king of Israel, established Jerusalem as his capital and envisioned building a temple to house the Ark of the Covenant, which held the 10 Commandments. The Jewish people firmly believed that the first and second temples once stood on this sacred site. The Jewish claim to the Temple Mount is supported not only by religious texts, but also by archaeological findings. A major earthquake that occurred some time ago caused significant damage to the Dome of the Rock. providing archaeologists with a unique opportunity to examine its foundations. To their astonishment, they discovered artifacts from the time of the Second Temple. This discovery further solidified the Jewish narrative regarding the historical importance of the Temple Mount. However, the situation becomes more complex when considering the deeply held beliefs of Muslims regarding the Dome of the Rock. Both Muslims and Jews have strong convictions rooted in their respective religious narratives, and changing their perspectives on this matter is a challenging task. It is akin to solving a puzzle with missing pieces. Tensions surrounding this issue continue to escalate, with Muslims fearing that Israelis might launch attacks on the Dome of the Rock, exacerbating an already delicate situation. To maintain a semblance of calm, restrictions are imposed on Jewish access to the Al-Aqsa compound, particularly during their special religious occasions. However, a recent alarming incident within the compound known as Al-Aqsa Mosque, which is part of the Dome of the Rock, during the holy month of Ramadan intensified the already tense atmosphere. Masked Palestinians, who had stayed overnight in the compound, initiated a violent confrontation by hurling stones, firecrackers, and other objects at Israeli police officers. The Israeli police responded with tear gas, stun grenades, and batons, leading to a significant clash. Amidst the chaos, some Palestinians entered a mosque within the compound, barricading themselves inside while continuing to throw projectiles. The ongoing struggle for control over this sacred place escalated tensions further. The Israeli police, unwilling to back down, entered the mosque compound and apprehended the individuals involved. However, this operation was far from straightforward, resulting in approximately 160 injured Palestinians, including women, children, and even a journalist. Several police officers were also injured, with one sustaining severe injuries. It is worth noting that prior to the incident, an agreement had been reached between the police and the Al-Aqsa compound authorities that no one would stay overnight during Ramadan. The Palestinians' decision to break this agreement and risk their lives and the lives of others arises from their fear of being expelled from a place they consider profoundly sacred. The fear and apprehension among Palestinians stem from their belief that if Israelis gain control of the site, they may face eviction from a place they hold dear. However, it is crucial to examine whether this fear is justified and whether resorting to violence is necessary. Is there a possibility of resolving this conflict without further hostility? The Temple Mount's significance transcends religious boundaries and delves into the realm of archaeological mystery. Recent discoveries beneath the surface of the Dome of the Rock have shaken the foundations of history, leaving scholars and believers astounded. As layers of time are peeled away, artifacts that defy explanation have been unearthed, revealing a tapestry of the past woven with enigmatic symbols. One such discovery is an ancient manuscript weathered by time. Its pages adorned with symbols that surpass linguistic barriers. The essence of this finding is as cryptic as the sacred grounds on which it was found. Its implications are staggering, challenging the narratives we once believed to be immutable. Archaeology faces a paradigm shift as the secrets buried beneath the Dome of the Rock question the very fabric of history. The surface secrets may redefine the narrative we thought was etched in stone, presenting a profound shift in our understanding of history. The appearance of snakes during a peaceful prayer session within the Dome of the Rock added another layer of intrigue. Worshippers were shaken when snakes unexpectedly emerged, causing chaos and fear. The symbolism of snakes carries diverse meanings, often associated with death, destruction, and evil. They embody primal fears and the concept of poison, both literal and metaphorical. In the Bible, the serpent is identified as Satan, representing deceit and leading astray. However, the serpent also symbolizes renewal and transformation in certain Christian traditions, signifying healing, redemption, and spiritual rebirth. The presence of snakes in this incident raises questions about their significance in both the Bible and the Quran. The ongoing conflict surrounding the Temple Mount extends beyond religious interpretations. It intertwines with prophecies and signs that hold different meanings for various religious groups. While interpretations may differ, warnings about the coming of the Antichrist and the need for vigilance and unity resonate across religious boundaries. Furthermore, the Dome of the Rock has witnessed peculiar events that have piqued curiosity worldwide. On January 28, 2011, an unidentified flying object, UFO, was purportedly sighted over the Dome of the Rock, captured in a video that went viral. The mysterious object emitted bright lights and seemed to hover above the site, leaving witnesses and experts baffled. Speculation about extraterrestrial visitations, divine signs, or advanced human technology filled the airwaves and internet forums. However, no conclusive explanation has been provided to date. In light of these mysteries and the deeply entrenched religious beliefs surrounding the Dome of the Rock, finding a resolution to the conflict becomes increasingly challenging. It requires a delicate balance of respect, dialogue, and compromise from all parties involved. Engaging in open and sincere discussions, guided by a commitment to understanding and respecting each other's perspectives, is essential. International mediation and diplomatic efforts can play a crucial role in facilitating dialogue between the Jewish and Muslim communities, encouraging mutual understanding, acknowledging historical and religious connections, and fostering a shared vision for the future can pave the way to a peaceful resolution. Moreover, promoting archaeological research and uncovering the secrets beneath the Dome of the Rock can contribute to a deeper understanding of its historical significance. Collaborative efforts between Jewish and Muslim scholars and archaeologists can help shed light on the past and bridge the gap between different narratives. The Dome of the Rock stands as a symbol of religious devotion and historical significance for both Jews and Muslims. Unearthing its secrets and resolving the conflict surrounding it requires a delicate balance of dialogue, respect, and compromise. The mysteries and enigmas surrounding the site add layers of complexity to the situation, highlighting the need for open-mindedness and a shared commitment to finding a peaceful resolution. The Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem holds immense religious significance, as it is believed to be the site of numerous pivotal events from religious stories. These events include Abraham's attempt to offer his son to God, Solomon building the first temple, Jesus confronting money changers, and Prophet Muhammad ascending to heaven. However, amidst these religious tales lies a peculiar phenomenon that has captured the attention of many: UFO sightings over the Dome of the Rock. Surprisingly, these UFO sightings are not isolated incidents. According to reports from residents, strange flying objects are frequently spotted in the skies of Jerusalem. This has become somewhat of a yearly phenomenon, leaving people puzzled about the mysterious activities unfolding above the city. In 2022, a U.S. drone even captured footage of a peculiar flying object resembling a metal ball in the Middle East. However, there's a catch. Not everyone is able to witness these UFOs when they appear, and even those who do often struggle to capture clear videos of them. It seems that our phones are ill-equipped to effectively capture objects in the sky, resulting in blurry and inconclusive footage. The viral spread of UFO videos recorded over the Dome of the Rock has given rise to confusion and speculation. One of the primary sources of speculation is the identity of the individuals behind the camera. The lack of information about the people who filmed these videos has led to doubts about their authenticity. Some people suggest that a single person may have created all the videos, raising further questions about their credibility. If someone genuinely witnessed something extraordinary, it is expected that they would come forward to share their story. The absence of any such revelation has left people wondering about the true nature of these sightings. Adding to the mystery is the fact that nobody else seems to have witnessed these lights, besides those who recorded them. Despite the potentially large number of people present at the Dome of the Rock when the videos were taken, no other reports or recordings of these bright lights have surfaced. This raises an additional layer of peculiarity to the situation. In one video, a woman mentioned that the light was so bright it hurt her eyes. However, it is worth noting that the light did not appear to reflect on the gold dome below it. This anomaly has raised suspicions that someone may have added the UFO light to the video using computer manipulation. The videos of UFOs over Jerusalem have sparked numerous debates, with some people fervently believing in their authenticity and others dismissing them as fake. However, those who believe in the videos have yet to present more compelling reasons than those who doubt their credibility. In the realm of science, simply claiming that something is wrong is not sufficient. One needs to provide a better explanation that aligns with all the known facts. Upon closer inspection, the supposed alien aircraft in the videos appears disproportionately small compared to the size of the dome it hovers over. The UFO seems to be only about 15 feet long, which is incongruent with the idea of a spacecraft that supposedly traversed the entire universe to appear on camera. Experts, such as Robert Shear, who have extensively studied UFOs, assert that the videos are undoubtedly fake. Shear highlights how the videos were altered using computer tricks, including the simulation of a shaking camera. The manipulations are evident along the edges of the video, indicating that the footage underwent alterations using sophisticated computer software. When videos are edited in this manner, a skilled trickster can make it seem like anything is happening, further casting doubt on the authenticity of the footage. Since the emergence of these videos, passionate arguments have unfolded regarding their legitimacy. EABs defend the videos, insisting that they are genuine. However, skeptics question the videos and demand more convincing evidence to support their authenticity. This situation resembles a heated debate, where everyone holds a different perspective, yet no one presents compelling evidence that sways the opinion of the other side. The controversy surrounding the Dome of the Rock and the potential location of the Third Temple has roots in biblical prophecy, end times theology, and the complexities of history, religion, and politics. These issues have far-reaching implications, impacting individuals and global affairs. They challenge us to respect diverse perspectives while seeking truth in a complex and interconnected world. The UFO sightings over the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem have sparked intrigue and debate. While some fervently believe in the authenticity of the videos, others remain skeptical, pointing to evidence of manipulation and inconsistencies. The phenomenon intertwines religious history, modern technology, and human curiosity, leaving us with a fascinating enigma that continues to captivate those who seek answers.